Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about a very interesting ETF and that comes out of Canada. And well, this is a story that has been doing the rounds for about a month or so. They launched it in September in this year, September 2021. But it's very interesting, and it's actually solving a great, pain point. I will talk about it in a little more detail in one of my later videos. But today is more on letting you know, as a crypto investor, how this is useful to this particular ETF. So before we dive in, as usual, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So this particular, so before we dive in, I talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. It talks about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. I started talking about, in this book with my preparation of becoming an entrepreneur while I was still in that job. Then I spoke about the challenges I faced as an entrepreneur, and then I spoke about how I overcame those challenges. Now, I would imagine a lot of you who are in full-time day jobs will be looking to becoming an entrepreneur. So with them in mind, I put down 3 worksheets in this ebook. They essentially, ways to gauge your mind on how prepared you are to becoming an entrepreneur. So you'd answer certain questions, get points, and later you get to know where you stand in terms of your preparedness as an entrepreneur to becoming an entrepreneur. I have also taken that quiz or test or worksheet questions based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would get to know how much I scored. And you will also know that today how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US, North American, Canadian markets. Now, this ebook comes to you for free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. With that, we start talking about the ETF. So we try and understand. So the ETF is Evolve ETF. So we'll try and understand what is it. So what does it offer? So Evolve ETF, launched in Canada, allows investors to gain exposure to both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investors seeking diversification in the cryptocurrency market can now buy a cryptocurrency ETF that holds both Bitcoin and Ether. The ETF trades on the Toronto stock market. So this is very interesting. The ETF actually trades on the Toronto stock market. And that's why it is more lucrative for investors. The Evolve Cryptocurrency ETF is a market cap weighted crypto fund that holds both Bitcoin and Ether. The fund currently has about 68% of its holding in Bitcoin and 32% in Ether. Bitcoin and Ether combined make up about 65% of the total cryptocurrency market. Although Evolve ETF is a great solution, US investors still have a few options in gaining exposure to cryptocurrencies besides buying them outright. Square is one such option where you can still hold Bitcoin as a part of the Square stock without owning Bitcoin. I've spoken about it in quite a detail in my previous videos. Let's try and understand. So, what are some of the features of Evolve ETF? Evolve ETF will be rebalanced monthly, does not utilize leverage, and will not pay distributions. It will gain exposure to Bitcoin and Ether by holding the Evolve ETF, Evolve Bitcoin ETF, which they are calling EBIT, and the Evolve Ether ETF, which they are calling ETHR. While there is no management fee, the underlying ETFs held in the fund do have a 0.75% management fee. So EBIT and ETHR provide investors with exposure to the daily price movements of the US dollar price of Bitcoin and Ether, respectively, by utilizing the benefits of the creation and redemption process offered by the exchange trade funded structure, the ETF structure. The creation and redemption process is the underlying plumbing of ETFs that allow them to be more transparent, less costly, and more tax efficient than mutual funds. So basically, to summarize, this is a great solution because if you hold this, you are able to hold both Bitcoin and Ether in the same portfolio. At the same time, you can even trade that on the Toronto Stock Exchange, so which is very, very unique. And that particular aspect is currently not there in any other structured product or ETF. But like I said in my previous slide, US investors do have other options, and Square is one such option. So if you are an avid crypto investor, I think you could explore this ETF, investing in this particular ETF. Go take a look at it. If you want more information, or you're looking to consult me, you could reach out to me on the contact page of my website. I will also link you to the video I did, the first video that I did on Square stock and why this is very useful. Like I mentioned before, if you hold Square stock, you are also getting benefits of Bitcoin without investing in Bitcoins. So I'll put the link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It'll be useful to you. You will get to know a lot more. I've done a few videos on Square. So if you go run through my playlist, you will find them. So, well, thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I hope you like the video. I will put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below so that you get to know my profile. Click on it. Go to my profile page. If you like my profile page and you want to interact with me, send me an invite. As a professional, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, and technological and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage me as a consultant in any one of those areas, marketing, technology, investment, and any of those businesses that you are into, you could just drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. If you are also looking to, if you need more advice from me on investments, you could also reach out to me on that same contact page of my website. I'll put the link to that, the contact page of my website in the description box below. And we can communicate and see how I can help you, how we can work together. So as a wrap up, finally, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, you stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.